In today's video, I'm going to show you how I charge my 18650 battery rapid charge with solar power. Okay, and this is another part today where we're talking about the battery charge. Took over 24.5 hours to charge this battery, which is you can see it sits on we started at 3.3 volt and now it's all charged all day yesterday, almost half of the day before. I say yesterday and today it's already charged. So I left it like this and I went to work and I came back. It's safe, it's cool to the touch, nothing, no fire, no heat, anything. But this is what happened. I would just want to show you, and I got another surprises for you guys I'm going to show you today. Stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe. For me to have the rapid charge I wanted, instead of waiting a day and a half, whatever, to wait for this thing to get charged, I got a solution for you guys today, which I ordered something that came to the mail. So I'm going to show you how these four here already charged, plus this one's here already charged. So before we go further with all the process we're going to do, let's check this battery if they still kept their voltage, which they're all charged to 4.1, 4.1, and they all started in a different voltages of 3.5 and 3.9 volt. These are all from different two laptop batteries, lithium batteries. This one came from the HP Mini 5103, and this one came from a Dell laptop. So these are Samsungs. These I suppose they can be a Sanyo. These other ones here, the red ones, is Sanyo. Let's check the voltage and see if they still maintain the voltages as 4.1, all of them 4.1. Stay tuned. Now we're gonna prove or test this battery from all the effort we put into this battery, see if it really worth it. So I'm deriving at a point. I have a fluke meter here, which is the 322 fluke clamp meter. So that's what we're gonna be using to test these batteries to see the state of charge, the voltage, if it still kept this voltage, the 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, in which they started with all different voltages. Okay, and these are the voltage 3.5 and 3.5 and 3.5. Let's put them to test and see how they work for us. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. This video got something I want to prove to you guys. I just want you to be patient with me and make sure you stay to the end of this video. Support me whatever way you want to support me, and I'm proving a point here. Okay, I'm trying to make a point, because what really causes this battery to die, or if it's just a lack of charge, or maybe it's the BMS that has a problem. Okay, so we're gonna find out pretty soon how, if it's just the BMS that normally goes bad onto laptop batteries or laptop whatever. So let's check it out. So we'll get a meter here. So I don't know what you can see from here. Let's see. Sometimes it's really tough to do this. Okay. There we go. I think you can see the meter right here. They're on 0, 0. Okay. And we're gonna grab one of these. These are the first ones I charged before the other ones, and set the meter and get, like, see what I'm doing, and touch this one right from here, the probe. So I'm gonna be off camera holding this. So I don't know if you can see what you can read here. It's reading a 4.1 earlier, that's what I saw. 4.1. Okay. Okay, let's check the other battery. Done with this, and check the other one here, this one. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. We have a 4.1. 4.1. This one's charged like a few days ago. Just remember, let's do approximation like a day and a half apart. So all of a sudden, if they're all going to be charged, it's going to be like 3 days. Okay, we got the red one now. Okay, this is what it's reading. I don't know if you can see it. 4.0. It's a little bit discrepancy there. There's a 0.1 volt. I want to see the ones that are going to keep the same voltage for the longest time. That's what I'm going to try and do the project with. So 4.0. So guys, they maintain the same voltage, both batteries. There is no differential, or there is no discrepancy on the battery. If they're losing a point something, they're all gonna go point something. So the batteries still hold their voltages, and what I'm gonna do here, we're gonna take the other ones from the charger and see the voltage they're reading at. Got the charger out. That's how it is. When you take the charger, it takes a while before the battery is still lit up. So that tells you the batteries are charged. Okay, if you put a battery here, a dead one, it's just gonna lit up a little bit. So these are the things I want to show you guys here. It's really cool. Okay, let's take this battery off, these two batteries off, and let's grab this other one here and see exactly what I'm telling you guys. You see the little light. The light right here is gonna illuminate. See that? It lit up, but it's a little one. Just the light of the camera. Okay. Let me turn this one down. See that? It lit up, but just a little bit. So this is how you know that this battery has a power. It's just like a tester for itself. So let's go back and check these batteries that we just took from here, which is 2. Some of you guys would think probably kind of like maybe a glue or rusty or whatever, they're bleeding. No, they have a paper that they put around here to keep the contact. So I peeled that paper off, and it's like glue. It comes out like a paper glue. So it doesn't mean the batteries are bad. It's just a paper glue, like a sticky paper they use for guys doing painting. So one of the batteries here, I'm gonna put it on the probe, test it. That's the voltage right there, 4.1 volt. We just came off from the charger. Okay, 4.1 volts. And we'll grab the other one here. Okay, 4.1 volts. So they're charging. So we get this one done, and let me go show you the surprise I have for you guys. I have a little surprise for you guys I want to show you, and stay tuned for that. It'll be nice to charge these batteries really fast now, as we want them to be once, put them all and charge them at once. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright, stay tuned, like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, this is the surprise I have for you guys. So we're gonna be charging these batteries with solar power. Okay, and this is what happened. I ordered these guys so I can have 2 of these guys, and if I try to read, this is a 800 milliamp. You cannot see it because of the light, and don't want to use the camera light, but trust me, it's 800 milliamp 800 milliamp. Okay, and the output is a 4.2 volt, 800 milliamps, and AC is from 100 to 140 volts, which is 50-60 hertz. Okay, they call them as a video digital camera travel charger. That's what it's called. You see right there. That's what it's called. So guys, this is what we're gonna use to utilize the rapid charge. Plus this one I already had, I just showed you on the camera, is the same thing. Let me check the specs again here. Yeah, it's a 8. Okay, this one says the max is a oh boy, that's why it was slow. This one says the max is a 4.2 volt. Hold on. Oh, okay, it's 800 milliamps, which is the max is a 150. Hold on, let me see what it says here. Low light. Yeah, 150 milliamps. So the same specifications. You see, it says travel something right there. So it's the same. So this is what we're gonna do. And stay tuned with me. We're gonna plug all these new guys here. Okay. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna plug all these guys, the new ones, and this is my old one I already have. It's gonna be on the last part right here. So we have 6 batteries left. Okay, look at this. So we have 6 batteries we have to charge. That remaining 6 to be charged. All right, this is what we're gonna do. So what I'm gonna do here, these are the batteries. So 1.6 volt, 1.6 volt. Okay, 1.7 volt. I showed you this earlier. 1.6, 1.7. There's a 2.7 here. So 1.7 and 1.6. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the old charger to charge the 2.7s. Let's see how fast they can charge, if they can speed up, because it's good because we have the discrepancy here, because we're gonna be seeing the chargers how they perform. They all have the same specifications, but let's see how they're gonna perform. We're gonna use these ones, the 2.7, into the old. You see the light just turn on, just so they have charge on them, and so that we can able to charge. There's a little red on it. Okay, so these ones are all lower charges, so I'm gonna start from the left to the right by using the 1.6. They still get that sticky gum they had on the batteries. Okay, this one don't even light up at all. Lit up. Okay, nothing. I think it's lower than the threshold because it's 2.7. So it lit up the little light LED there. So we're gonna use this other one, the 1.7. Let's see if it's gonna power up the machine a little bit, just a little bit. You turn on a little bit. So it's a tester, guys. It's a tester. So that one battery is doing good. This one are way below the threshold. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. Now we already have them in place. We're gonna fire up these thing powered with solar directly from solar. Turn the power here. So check the time at 1947 hours here in Minnesota. 1947 hours. That means it's 7:47 p.m. here in Minnesota. Then we're gonna turn this thing on. There you go. So this one's kind of like a Interesting. This has kind of features like probably a flicking light. This one is not doing it. I don't know if it's pulsing, and it's a new technology on this compared to this other one. I don't know. We can find out. But right now we're using solar power from my system, my off-grid solar system, powering this guy. Let me take you to the solar room so you can see. Well, guys, if you haven't seen my solar room, this is my off-grid solar power system. This is how it looks like. And the power right now, we're taking power from the batteries. So if you look at it, we're pulling 3.6, and the other appliances are running in the house as well as the amp DC. Let's go here. AC meter, that's a 122 60 hertz, and said it's pulling an amp. Okay, all right guys, this is what it is. We still have a lot of power on the battery. You know, we'll be running home and everything is fine. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. I'll give you back the heads up on the report on the outcome live here at the JW Solar USA. We're experimenting something here. We're going to come to a conclusion quick.